Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by validating the game build and joining a low-population lobby, because hidden stickers spawn more reliably with fewer players nearby. Once in, move directly to the neighborhood with past hidden item spawns. Learning those coordinates saves time. Make sure you have a fast car and at least one teammate to scout parallel paths and enable minimap markers. This first push gets you into the right area quickly. It reduces competition and positions you to trigger the spawn window. Next, you trigger the spawn window by methodically driving slow circles around the hotspot for 30 to 60 seconds, allowing the client to load local assets. Once done, perform proximity actions, honk, park, or briefly exit and re-enter the vehicle, because these actions refresh nearby spawn checks. Make sure teammates split roles. One distracts NPCs or traffic, others scan alleys, rooftops, and behind barriers. This coordinated routine increases chance of the hidden sticker appearing, and explains why timing and move. Finally, claim the sticker by approaching on foot and using the pickup interaction. Slow, deliberate movement prevents canceled animations. If you don't see the sticker, don't panic, relog or switch lobby, wait 2 to 3 minutes, then repeat the spawn routine because server-side checks often reset. Make sure to screenshot coordinates and environmental cues so you can replicate success later. One key troubleshooting tip: if pickups vanish, clear cache and verify files. Corrupted local assets commonly block hidden item spawns.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.